This shape is a cylinder. How will we find the surface area of a cylinder? If you look closely at the cylinder, it comprises of two circular sides, 1, 2, and it also has this curved surface on the side. So if we want to calculate its surface area, the first thing we have to do is calculate these two surface areas and finally this. Now, if you recall, we know that the area of a circle, the area is the space inside the circle, is given by the formula pi r square. R square means r into r. This makes it quite simple for us. The area of this circular face is pi r square once we have measured this radius, and the area of the lower circular face is also pi r square. So we have two surfaces whose area is pi r square. The question arises about how to measure the surface area, this curved surface of the cylinder. For that, I'm going to take the help of this paper, and what I'm going to do is wrap it around this cylinder. I've cut it before such that it fits perfectly. First thing you find is that when you open this paper out, it actually is in the form of a rectangle. We know that the area of a rectangle is given by the length times the breadth. But what do we know about the length of this rectangle and the breadth of this rectangle? The first thing we find is that the breadth of this rectangle is actually the height of the cylinder. How about the length? When we wrap it around entirely, we realize that the length of this rectangle is actually the circumference of the circular base. Let's go back to our sheet. What is circumference? Circumference is the length of this boundary, and it's given by the formula 2 pi r. So interestingly, if we try to find the area of this rectangle, length into breadth, instead of using the terms length into breadth, over here we can use the height of the cylinder multiplied by the circumference of the circular face. So what does that do for us in terms of a formula? Our formula becomes 2 times pi r square. These are the two circular faces, and 2 pi r times h. So that is 2 pi r h. So the total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h, that is the curved surface, plus 2 pi r square, which is the two circular surfaces.